going on, people? I was having a problem with my radiator actually overheating, but I had the fluids and stuff inside of it, so it wasn't low on coolant. And actually my check engine light had popped on, so I took it to AutoZone and had it tested, and what it said was is that I had a bad fan relay. So your fan relay normally is actually up underneath your hood of your car. This happens to be a Chevy, and for the Chevy, the relays are right in this box right here. And what you want to do to open this, you just want to press on the side like that, and this will pop out. Like it should show you also these three squares at the top are actually the three relays that I had. Mine said that relay 1 was bad, so on mine that happens to be this one right here on my car. Actually this is 3, this is 2, and this is 1. So to take the relays out, it pretty much just pops out the way a fuse would pop out. Alright, to take these relays out, they pretty much is unplugged just like a fuse would. On the back of, you'll have these spots like this on it, and as you can see inside of there where it plugs in at, it's like this. This relay happens to operate your fan to where if it's not working, you could have water and there are your antifreeze inside of your radiator the way you're supposed to, but when it gets hot, your fan's supposed to come on and cool it off. So if your relay's not working, it won't come on, so you can still have an overheating issue. So to remove and also when you get a new relay, as you can see at the bottom, you'll see a number will be on here. You always want to make sure, see on this one it's like a 12193604 is the actual number on this relay. You can normally get them at AutoZone, O'Reilly's, or Napa, anywhere like that to actually buy the relay, and it should be in a box like this up underneath your hood. And once you get your new one, you just want to plug it back in. Make sure it's going back in the right way into the right spot. See, I got that number in the corner. It's going to be in the same position as the other ones are right here. You just kind of want to plug it directly back in and push it in like that till it's all the way in. Once again, this is how you would change out your relay for your fan going to your actual radiator, the thing that keeps your radiator cool. Also in this box, you'll notice there's relays for a lot of stuff in between, for your fuel pumps and for horns. This one has for your horn, fuel pump, all type of different stuff. So you should always check your relays if you can't figure out what a problem is, especially if it keeps going like intermittent, like it's working and it stopped working, it's working and stopped working. It could be your relay. Once again, this is how you would change out your relay for your actual fan motors itself. If it was to go out and you're getting a code, the actual code itself I believe was like a 0408 code. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.